Greetings, educators. This is Dr. Mordecai. Thank you so much for joining me today for Leadership and Education on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So excited to have you with me. I'm going to do my best to tackle a very serious topic in 1 minute's time, so here we go. Educators, we need to help each other, helping our students understand a very, very, very important concept, and that is by choosing an institution that makes financial sense for your family does not mean that you are devaluing yourself. Our students need to understand that now is the time, especially in high school, middle school, that we begin to impart into them to make the best financial decisions for them and their family, whether that be the local college, the community college, okay? These various stigmas are real, and what's happening, I personally believe, is that people are having to make the decision, our students are having to make the decision, well, I want to choose the smarter economic situation. However, I don't want to feel as though I'm communicating I devalue myself. I'm not as valuable as a bigger brand name, and that's not the case. Make the smarter decision for you and your family to create the pathway toward success and social and economic mobility. Let's figure out how to sell that message and to prove that message so we can change the trajectory of each and every one of our students. I wish you the absolute best, everybody. Take care.